of Uttar Pradesh, 341 Rahul Kumar Verma of Chhattisgarh, and the last athlete is 1111 Abhishek Singh representing Madhya Pradesh. And that was the good start of 5000 meters run for men under 20 final. And it was start with two groups and they are coming together. Let's see their performance, and the national record was mentioned in the name of Ajay Kumar Patel, which was held at Madurai in the year 2008. Time taken by Ajay was 13 minutes 57.65 seconds, and meet record was mentioned in the name of Vinod Singh of Bhubaneswar. It was held at Bhubaneswar in the year 2024, and the performance was 14 minutes 12.67 seconds. And bib number 436 is in lead for 5000 meters run men at 20 final. As 5000 meters run is an endurance event, and the athletes have to practice for the whole session. It needs endurance activity. And the lead, right now we are witnessing 1019. 1019 is Bittu Joseph of Kerala is in the lead, and behind the performing athletes are trying to keep remaining themselves in the same pack. 1733 is after Bittu Joseph. He is Mukengiram M of Tamil
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की
आरज़ू. The 5000 meters run typically refers to the race held on a running track. The event is presently held as Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar. We are witnessing 48th National Junior Athletics Championship 2025, and it is starting today from 10th to 14th October 2025. 5000 meters run men under 20 final is in progress. Bib number 1800 is Mohit Chaudhary of Telangana. He is in the lead now, and all the athletes are giving their best to perform the 5000 meters final for men under 20 final category.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
5000 meters run is a standard event at major championships, including the Olympic Games for men since 1912 and for women since 1996. And the World Athletics Championships, the race requires, already I have announced that it requires a blend of endurance, speed, and the race strategy. It is very important, the strategy. 5000 meters run for men under 20 final on the track at 40th National Junior Athletics Championship 2025. And bib number Mohit Chaudhary, he is 1800 from Telangana. Holding his breath and in the lead for the same event, 5000 meters run for men final. The total number of laps the athletes have to cover is 12 and a half laps in 400 meters standard track. And the present timing is 4 minutes 52.7 seconds. He is best to complete the event. And behind Mohit we can witness he is making a big gap and tried to hold his breath for 5,000 meters men under 20 final category. Also see 667, he is Aman Kumar of Haryana is behind him, but that group is in a pack. We can see Mohit Chaudhary, he is giving his effort. Hold his breath with the proper stride, proper arm action, and looking very dedicated, give his devotion so that he can give his best performance for 5,000 meters run final. 667, Aman Kumar of Haryana.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू
He is around
वतन
50 to
वतन
60
मेरे
meters.
आबाद
More than
रहे
50 to 60 meters is in lead.
मैं जहाँ
Till
रहूं
now,
जहाँ मैं
all laps
याद
to go
रहे
for all the
मैं जहाँ
athletes
रहूं
in 5,000 meters run men under 20 final category.
मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है
And the meet record was mentioned in the name of Vinod Singh, which was held at Bhubaneswar in the year 2024. That means last year in the 39th National Senior Athletics Championship 2025 at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The performance 14 minutes 12.67 seconds. And the national record was mentioned in the name of Ajay Kumar Patel. It was created in the year 2008 with a timing 13 minutes 57.65 seconds. And still we can see Mohit Chaudhary is in the lead for 5,000 meters run men final.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू
Number 1800 is representing Telangana in 5,000 meters run for men under 20 final. In continuation about today's event, at 9 hours we will start discus throw for men under 20 qualifying round Group B. 9:15 will be shot put for girls under 16 qualifying round Group A and B both. 9:20 60 meters for girls under 14 triathlon B1. 9:30 will be high jump men under 20 qualifying round Group A and B. 9:40 60 meters for girls under 14 triathlon C1. 10 hours is javelin throw for women under 18 qualifying round Group A. 10 hours we have another event, long jump for girls under 14 triathlon B2. Again at 10 hours we have one more event, that is 60 meters run for boys under 14 triathlon B1. 10 hours will be long jump for girls under 14 triathlon C2. 10:20 60 meters for boys 14 triathlon C1. 10:30 shot put men under 20 decathlon 3, the third event. 10:40 will be 60 meters for girls 16 round 1. 11 hours is long jump boys under 14 triathlon B2. One more event at 11 hours is javelin throw women under 18 round qualifying round for Group B. 11:10 hours is long jump for boys under 14 triathlon C2, and 11:10 hours is 60 meters for boys under 16 round 1. These are the schedule for 2025, the first race, Ponal session event for 40th National Junior Athletics Championship, which is held at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, organized by Government of Orissa and Orissa Athletics Association in the aegis of Athletics Federation of India. 5,000 meters run for men under 20 final is in progress. We are witnessing the event and Mohit Chaudhary of Telangana is in the lead. Right now, he is covering the timing of 10 minutes 49 53 seconds. He has beat one athlete from his group and leading one lap more. He has a good endurance ability. We can see he is doing the proper arm action, proper striding.
मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं, तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं। माँ ही मेरा रब है, मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर, मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई दरगाह नहीं। नाचूंगा नाचूंगा मुझको फितूर है, नाचूंगा नाचूंगा
5,000 meters run
आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम, मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है, मैं जीतूं या
the majority of running volume should be at a conversation pace. It builds capillary density and increases in muscle cells and improves the body's ability to result from the physiological the training component and tempo runs. These are the part of their schedule. Threshold training, it needs the continuous runs, long intervals in their activity. This is an anaerobic threshold. These are the all coaching aspects points. When an athlete is under training, the coach, they have to give this type of training to the athletes and crucial for increasing the speed an athlete can sustain without accumulating excessive lactic acid. He is doing his best. Mohit Chaudhary of Telangana, bid number 1800. And this is the last lap for Mohit Chaudhary of Telangana. Total number of laps he has covered. One lap to cover in 5,000 meters run is 12.5 laps in 400 meters standard track. And one more athlete have also. And last 300 meters need is for Mohit Chaudhary of Telangana, bid number 1800. He is in good action. He is boosting himself. That was a nice arm action, good striding and good boosting up himself and holding his breath. Nice performance by Mohit Chaudhary. Good dedication. And the last straight, he is covering up for 5,000 meters run. Men under 20 final category. Yes, that was a nice performance. Good, Mohit. That was a good performance by you. 5,000 meters run. Men under 20 final. Next we have 7762 1582. Previous meet record was made by Vinod Singh in the year 2024 at Kalinga Stadium. Let's see today's performance. It may be a new meet record in this event. We are waiting for the result of 5,000 meters run for men under 20 final. And some of the athletes, they are trying their best to complete the race. And good performance for all the athletes in 5000 meters run for men under 20 final. And we are waiting for the result of 5000 meters run men under 20 final. And presently we are witnessing 48th National Junior Athletics Championship 2025 at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Navratan in the 6th place, representing Haryana, 14 minutes 27.78 seconds.